No vex, na Papa Oris. Next one, na kana you go born. Shut the mouth and stop now. You did they call my pikin. What did my pikin name? Which one? How many are not born? Put it up. Shut! I swear to God, women, if I don't keep for the woman and call me bastard. I swear to I need that guy. First of all, I tell you now, where did they get gift card? If you want to trade your gift card, best way to trade your gift card is God Promise. What are you waiting for? All you just need to do is sign up with my promo code Kata and get you 10,000 naira on your first sign up. What are you waiting for? Their withdrawal are very fast. Their transaction are very fast like my phone. Can you see? What are you waiting for? Go and download Card Comic now. They are the best. I love you all.